Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I went to Shenzhen Xiangxi village to eat barbecue. Don't be misled by the signboard on the second floor. The wooden house grill has closed. And now it's Tangtang BBQ. Try a craft beer first. The appearance is attractive, but how about the taste? Strong wheat flavor with a little sweetness. But no taste of alcohol. Non-alcoholic beer, not for me. The taste is just ordinary. How is the oyster cooking? Chubby. But the garlic sauce is not strong enough. Scallops with very little meat. Average level. Lamb skewers, fat with thin. Taste should be rich. Qualified only. It smells like common powder. The fat is rich in aroma, but the lean meat is rough. But the price is cheap. You can try. Try small crispy pork, dipped in paprika. Fantastic. Better than BBQ. Spicy fried chicken rib. Only a small amount of meat is on the chicken bone. Fantastic. Although this restaurant specializes in barbecue, but the quality of fried food is higher. In conclusion, it's good to come here to feel the atmosphere, drink beer and eat fried chicken ribs. Other food is not recommended, not a must-go restaurant. Unfinished. Eat snacks, compensate the soul. Try ginger guacui and Xiangxi stinky tofu. Tasting Xiangxi stinky tofu for the first time. The taste is not as smelly as Hong Kong's stinky tofu. Soaked in the soup, it is completely different from the stinky tofu in Hong Kong. It's a surprise. The tofu skin is crispy and the meat is tender, and the soup is rich in flavor with a little spicy. The soup tastes very good, and there are many side dishes. There are 6 pieces of tofu for $10. Definitely trying. This is the E. Only $7. Pickled vegetables and pork, slightly sweet. Wow! Very crispy. A mix of sweet and spicy. Must eat. These are the two most satisfying foods of tonight. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you like my video, please subscribe and press notification bell. Never miss a video update. Thank you all.